Hello and welcome back to the Cooking with Ruf cooking show on YouTube for a quick Cooking with Ruf unedited episode. That's going to be episode 3. We are here in the home kitchen studio and I have in my hands the meat marination container, and in it is chicken wings, y'all. Chicken Wangs. Yes, sir. We are about to go watch the Western Michigan University Broncos play for the national title, and Cooking with Ruf is going to take some wings to the event. I'm sure there'll be other food there as well. So I got my oven at 375, got the convection roast feature activated. I got the pan with the rack that's going to suspend those wings and cook them from all sides, giving you crispiness on the outside and juiciness in the middle. And we're gonna do it all. And what I'm gonna do so that you all can see how the wings turn out is I'm gonna make the thumbnail the finished product so that you can see what those wings look like when we got finished. All right, folks? So anyway, thank you all for coming along with me. Thank you all for rocking with Cooking with Ruf. If you have not yet, please like, please subscribe, and please hit that notification bell. That way you'll be first to know when Cooking with Ruf, that's me, uploads new content on YouTube. And if you get anything out of the show, you feel like you're getting value, maybe there's a recipe that you used to make one way and you tried Cooking with Ruf way and you like it, whatever the case may be, please feel free to share my channel. And I thank you all for being here live from the home kitchen studio of the Cooking with Ruf show on YouTube. We will see you on the next one. Cooking with Ruf Unedited, episode 3. See you soon.